So today we will see how to find the maximum element from an array. So here this is an array. It has uh, some elements and we have to find the maximum elements out of these elements. So here we can see that out of these elements in the array, 9 is the highest element. So the program should output the 9. So let's see the code and write on the code. So this is the code for finding the maximum element from an array. This code is written in C++. So let's see. So we have taken a vector. So inside the vector we have stored these elements. So first of all, we have to initialize a variable max that is initialized with the minimum number. Uh, this is initialized with the minimum number because uh, this value will be compared uh, with the element further. That's why this is taken as the minimum element. So in the first iteration, when I is equals to 0, so uh, when I is here, so it will check that whether array I, that's mean 5, is greater than max. So this is as we see that maximum is initialized with the minimum number. So minimum number, so 5 is always greater than that minimum number. So now in the 0th iteration, so the maximum is updated and it is 5 now. uh, and the second iteration, it will come to 7. So it will check with now max is 5 and the array I is pointing to 7. We will check whether 7 is greater than 5 or not. As 7 is greater than 5, so the max will update it and the max will now contain 7. In the third iteration, it will come here. So it will check whether 8 is greater than 7 or not. So 8 is greater than, so max will be updated and it will be 8. So, and after that the control will come here. It will check whether 8 is greater 2 is greater than 8 or not. So 2 is not greater than 8, so it will not update. So it will come here. So it will check whether 4 is greater than 8 or not. So it will not greater than 8, so it will not update the variable. Then we will come to 3. Also 3 is not greater than 8, so it will go the next iteration. We will come here. When we will come here, this 9, so 9 is greater than 8, so the max will again update it and it will store 9 now. So at last iteration, it will come at the last element. It will check whether 1 is greater than 9 or not. 1 is not greater than 9, so it will break the loop and it will come here. So at last the maximum is containing the 9, so it will print 9 as answer. So let's run the code and see the output. So you can clearly see that the maximum element is 9, and from this we can see that the maximum element is 9. So thank you.